Let's break down a strategy that will allow you to start affiliate marketing for free with no money down. Now, let's be real. You have to have access to the internet and you must have a computer. But this strategy, my top strategy, is the only thing you need to put in place these three foundational phases: traffic, offer, and understand that adding people to an email list is how you get started. And you can do this with no money. Let's go back and let's start with traffic. How do you get traffic for no money? Simple. This used to be my YouTube channel called Publisher Report. It doesn't cost any money to open up a Google account and start a YouTube channel. Again, let's be realistic. You have to have a way to record your screen. You have to have a way to post these videos to the internet. And you can actually do that for no money, meaning you can get the software you need for no money, or you can start relatively cheap. Now, scroll down and let me show you exactly how this works. Check out this video right here. Making coloring books to sell on Amazon with artificial intelligence. This video is simply me showing how to use a piece of software that is free actually to let robots draw images. But in this video, I have an offer to people that show people how to get more information about how to let robots draw these images for you. All I simply did was make the video, show them the software, let them know about the offer. Again, remember, we're utilizing the top strategy. We are generating traffic, which is videos on YouTube, simply letting people know how to do things, simple how-to, informational videos, how to do things, how to solve problems. And then that traffic, we let people know about an offer, and you get offers for products to sell as an affiliate over at affiliate marketplaces, things like Amazon. And the one that I'm going to show you here in this video is free to sign up. And you can see this video. All I did was link out to a product called AI Explorer Prompt Fundamentals Book 1. I added a link. People click that link. They landed on this sales page. This sales page is for the product. I'm an affiliate for this product. This is powered by a marketplace called Gumroad. There's a link in the description for Gumroad. You can come over and you can see here, Gumroad is where anyone can earn their first dollar online. Just start with what you know, see what sticks, and get paid. It's that easy, either selling your own products or as an affiliate. You simply just click that login button. You'll create an account. And then once you create your account, you'll come to products. You'll see a button here called affiliated. You will see a button here called Gumroad affiliate. You simply just click that link and you go through the process of signing up with no money. It's free to get started as a Gumroad affiliate. So now inside of my top strategy, I've shown you how to get started with traffic, how to generate traffic for free. It doesn't cost you anything except for your time to learn how to create YouTube videos. I showed you where to get an offer over at Gumroad. It's free, doesn't cost you anything to sign up as a Gumroad affiliate to find good products that you can tell people about in your YouTube videos. Again, creating traffic over to that offer. Now let's talk about people. And this is the function as an affiliate marketer of adding people to an email list and then following up with them by sending them emails about additional offers. And if you remember, we'll go back. This all started with a traffic source, which is YouTube, me making helpful how-to videos over on the YouTube channel. Then I provided a link here, letting them know about the offer. They clicked that link. That took them over to this page that you see here. This is called a squeeze page or an opt-in page. You can see the information here, but I want you to focus in on this graphic, this image, and this headline: how to speak to various AI art generators, 10 detailed lessons with step-by-step instructions, and the fact that they can sign now and grab their copy of this book. Again, this product is being offered over on Gumroad. I signed up as an affiliate. People filled out this information, and then they were added to an email list. At this point, you're probably saying, yeah, but that's going to cost me money. No, it doesn't cost you any money. Link in the description. Get response. It's free. Click here to create your free account. This blue button right here. Start for free, no hidden fees. And all you have to do is click that button to get started. And then you will wind up with what you see here inside of the free account. One landing page, just like the landing page that I showed you, that shows the offer that you're an affiliate for, that people found out from the traffic source, the simple how-to video that you created on YouTube, and you can create the sign-up form and get new leads for up to 500 contacts. That's 500 people that you can add to an email list for free. That link is in the description. This is the top strategy. It is simply coming up with a traffic source, which is creating helpful how-to content on YouTube for free. Doesn't cost you any money to post or to create a YouTube account. It doesn't cost you any money to create that content. Find an offer, Gumroad, it's free. You can sign up as an affiliate. Link in the description. I showed you exactly all you have to do. Click the link, log in, create an account, click the affiliate button, find a product that you want to promote, let people know about that product in your content. It's your traffic source. You add them to an email list. You do that for free, and you follow up with them simply by getting started by clicking the link in the description, by creating your GetResponse account. If you would like to see the top strategy in action, click on the video you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.